Walder Frey is a dangerous man to cross.
I know that.
And you mean to do it anyway?
I love her.
What do you think I'm doing for my eldest son and heir?
Whatever you can.
Whatever I can.
I think you lost this war the day you married her.
And who are you? The proud Lord said that I must bow so low. Only a cat of a different coat, that's all the truth I know. In a coat of gold or a coat of red, a lion still has its claws, and mine are long and sharp, my lord, as long and sharp as yours.
Don't you drink, Lord Bolton?
Never do, my lady. Dulls the senses.
You say he rides into battle on the back of a giant direwolf. They say he can't be killed.
And so he spoke, and so he spoke, that Lord of Castamere. But now the rains we pour his hall, with no one there to hear. The rains fall down, yes, the rains fall down on Lord of Castamere.
Tell Rob Stark
The Lannisters and their regards.
The rains we pour his hall, and not a soul to hear.
Do you believe them?
No, my lord. Anyone can be killed.